play Russian roulette with me?
Play Russian roulette?
Yeah, Russian roulette.
We can't be in the safe zone.
Well, then let's go over here on the stage. Don't worry, I won't use that gun.
Alright.
Okay.
No, give me the gun.
Yes. Fine. You go first. Boom, boom. Okay. Who wants to go first? No, you aim it at me. No, 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 no. Stop staring down the barrel.
I'm not staring down the barrel. You lost, loser. Oh!
You cheat.
I didn't cheat. I didn't cheat. I didn't.
No,
Joke's
not
on you.
that.
That one's empty. Oh, it's not. Oh shoot!
I'm invincible. No, no, I stay safe, Jones. I stay. No, no, no.
You know. Hey, wait. I'll make it up to you. We'll go. We're gonna go. Hey. I'm gonna take you to Terror Town now.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
To get
Come over here.
get a backpack because it's pretty scary.
Wait, where's my big flashlight?
Well, that's my backpack. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Wanna go to Terror Town?
My backpack despawned.
Your backpack despawned?
Yeah. Go with the flashlight. It's okay though. Wow.
No. Oh my god. I'm sick of you. Stop. Turn your flashlight off. Turn your flashlight off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. No, turn it off.
Let's go over here. Let's go to Dog Forest and turn my flashlight on. Mr. Fishy! Mr. Fish!
Who's Mr. Fish?
Mr. Fish! It's okay, he loves me.
This isn't the pet dog I thought. No! At least I got money. Ooh! Tree, come here. I have a present for you. I have a present for you.
Yummy.
Oh! Here, look what I got out of the crate.
Where's my big flashlight?
I don't know, but I found that one out of the crate.
Oh, my big flashlight over here. I see light. Really? It's okay. Flashlight, there you are.
Oh!
I found my iPads and lights.
Your iPads?
Is this an infinite shotgun?
What do you watch?
You can have a couple.
What do you watch on your iPads, Tree?
Porn.
Don't you have a bunch of red flashlights?
Yeah.
You want to go ghost hunting? Sam and Colby
Yeah,
style?
let me finish this video.
Turn off that flashlight!
Oh, I'm gonna go into Brecky Hill.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, she's so fun. Oh my, oh my god. Oh, I'm so over the wall. Okay, I'm ready to go ghost hunting.
Hope that's the wrong way. That's not where the That's not where the ghosts are. That's not where the
What does this say?
That's not where the ghosts are.
What does this say?
It says danger, do not enter. So let's not enter. Oh my God. Is this where your parents take you for daycare?
Banana.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. That's gross.
Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Feels so good.
No, let's just go to Terror Town. Come on. I said we were gonna go earlier. My backpack. No. Jacob. God, I mean tree. Tree. Did you get my backpack? You want to go? Oh,
Excuse me,
actually,
Papa.
screw Terror Town. Do you want to go to old Jim Bob's, the old like creepy guy that tried to touch you? Do you want to go to his house?
Yeah, I love
old-
getting touched.
No, we're not gonna get touched because remember he died.
No, he didn't. No, I miss him.
No.
No, he
He wasn't a
my
good
butt.
guy. The guy on TikTok.
he's
Okay, let's go. No. Follow me, quick.
Oh, he's big.
Come on. Don't let Big Chungus get you. That's Big Chunk.
Bye. He's so cute. I wish he fingers me all the time.
Look at the chicken. Look at the chicken.
Thank
There's his house. Oh, it's his house.
No, me don't like it anymore.
He's right. Wait, he didn't die. He's right there. And that's his pet chicken. Tree!
Oh my god!
He's touching you.
You take out gun. No, ignore those.
And we got a baseball bat.
Candy!
Get the chicken.
Come with it, candy.
I'm not your dad.
Oh, I thought you were my dad.
I'm your babysitter. Why did you
Did
just
I hit you with my candy?
your candy? Candy. Here.
My candy blew up.
Tree, put that in your backpack. And eat this. Big Chunkus is coming. You're fat.
Wait, if you're not my papa, who are you?
I'm your babysitter.
Oh, Mr. Babysitter Man, why do you look so weird all the time?
Okay.
Where are you? Stop hitting me. I will shoot you. I'm not afraid of the law. No, law doesn't fuck me. The law doesn't scare me. Oh my god. Coca-Cola.
No. Come on, Jacob. Come on.
Sometimes I put Coke into my butthole.
Oh.
A friend. There's a friend over there. I think he's lost.
Oh, yeah, he's pink just like you.
Hi, Mr. Friend. I don't like you.
You don't like him? Okay. Oh!
Oh my god! Kill him.
Reload your shotgun! No! Get off of
No, I don't have any more ammo.
It's in your backpack! Get over here!
Kill him.
Get your shotgun out! Oh! He's back! Ah! I fell! Ah! I got him. I got him. Come down here.
Look at all this chicken.
Don't.
Yeah, I got him. I got him.
Open up all these boxes, quick.
Kitty cat.
That ain't no cat.
It sounds
don't.
like kitty cat meow. Mr. Kitty Cat, we have Taki.
Taki? That's not a Taki.
Yeah,
That's
it
not.
is. Ooh, box. Oh, I killed Mr. Kitty Cat.
You killed him. I got his egg.
I told you, Taki kill anyone. He's so hot and spicy. Monkey back, monkey friend back, monkey friend back.
Where?
Monkey, me weaving.
No, we can kill it. We can get him again. I have a shotgun. Come here, where is he?
Fine, let's go kill.
Where is he?
Let's go kill ex-enemy friend.
Where's he at?
I flashbanged him.
Look at he's dead.
Oh, he's still here. He's still alive.
No, he's not. What is
Kitty cat back! Kitty cat back! That was so scary! I shit in my pants!
Here, come on.
I shit in my pants! Kitty is not nice! Kitty is
No.
Mr. So? My poopy is so wet. Let's go sell.
So what? What do we have to sell?
Porn.
These?
No. They're for my porn.
You only need one.
No, I watch a lot of porn. Sometimes my computer breaks. Well, I can.
From what?
You have the egg? You have the egg. Sell the egg.
The egg? Oh, not
Yeah,
this
Mr. Kitty
machine.
Cat.
Follow me. We gotta go to the good machine. Hold up.
Oh my god, that was my shit.
That's pretty cool. Come on. Come on,
Wanna
Tree.
go get the other one? Let's go get the other egg. I have a shotgun.
You
Full
have a shot.
ammo.
Where's the other egg? You wanna take me there?
Yeah. But this chicken kitty cat not nice. Mr. Kitty Chicken. Mr. Kitty.
Hold up, Tree.
Where are you?
Go! It's Big Chungus!
No, me no like. We don't like that guy. He's really mean. He sometimes so like he licks my boobies. Me don't like that. Me only like squeeze.
I'm coming. Stop saying weird. I was just. Wait,
No,
Tree!
Bad Kitty! I killed Bad Kitty! He tried chasing me!
I'm telling your parents!
Mr. Baby
I'm telling your parents!
I did not mean to! I did not know. I thought it would be candy like always.
Well then you and me better go back. You're leading the way.
I know. We're Mr. Big Chungus. Oh, hi, Mr. Chicken.
Shh.
Woof! Woof! Woof!
No, shut up. So stupid. He's coming.
I'm just woofing at the chicken.
Yeah, don't wolf at the chicken, because then they're gonna make noise. Then Big Chungus is gonna go. Oh, there's enemies.
We have it.
You have
Oh my
itch?
god. Me bust on wall on accident.
He's back. Hey, 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 hey!
Woof, 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 woof.
You stupid idiot.
Mr. Babysitter, where did you go?
I'm on top of a
Use
tree.
your walkie-talkie, bitch!
I'm on top of a tree.
Where's your walkie-talkie, bitch?
I'm using my walkie-talkie. Stop swearing.
Fine. Me gonna jump on Mr. Kitty Cat.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. I'm gonna do it.
Mr. Babysitter?
How are you alive? How are you alive?
He's alive?
I'm alive. I shot it, but you you died. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna kill myself.
No, I alive.
Your stupid shotgun. Don't ever do that again. Do you have a
Well, I just
revolver?
wanna see.
Oh, do you have a pistol?
No, I don't. Maybe. Mr. Baby? Mr. Babysitter?
I'm coming, buddy. I'm coming.
You alive?
I won't let anything harm you.
I cannot hear you. I have no ammo. Are we gonna go kill Mr. Cat? He's dead, he's dead! Yay!
No one harms my patient. Whatever they say. Because they're not my son.
Let's go. Before he come back from the dead again. Let's go sell. Let's go sell those big fat.
Let's go back to old man Jim Bob's house.
I don't have any shotgun ammo. I can't kill him.
Oh, you're right.
I have nothing.
Shut up.
Oh no, the fucking dog shit. You feel me? What did he drop? Now we could go kill him. No, Mr. Jim Bob.
Oh, you're right.
Stun him and hit him with the baseball bat. Good shot. Keep beating him.
No running, pal. No running. No witnesses. Get him, get him.
No running and no! Keep the walkie-talkie to your mouth when you talk, you idiot.
Okay, but I need 2 hands. Give me that.
Stupid flipping idiot. You're so stupid all the time.
I'm being flamed by a
Bruh.
kid.
Bruh. I am nodding!
Shut up.
Oh no. You wanna go say hi to Mommy Fish?
You can say hi to Mommy.
She loved the light. You wanna go see my pet doggy?
Here, just give me your backpack and I'll sell our stuff. Or no, actually,
No,
go
'cause
get
I
your
have-
get your pet doggy.
where?
I'll go sell my stuff. Go get your
No,
pet
no,
dog.
we have to go sell eggs. But the
Yeah.
eggs don't sell good in that machine.
They don't sell good in this machine. What then
Turn
why are
around
we
again.
get?
Turn around again. Oh my god, start jumping when you turn around.
No, don't do it. Come on.
Oh my gosh. Your ass is so fat. You wanna go say hi to Mr. Doggy? His name
What's-
is Ruffs.
His name is Ruffs. Here, I'll stay back here. You go
No,
get him.
no, you're coming
No, I
with.
don't. No, I
You
don't
have to
want
see
to. No, I don't want to walk into your parents' house. Just go get.
No, my mommy said it okay.
No, she didn't. You don't even have a phone.
No? Mommy,
Yeah.
it okay if babysitter come in? Oh yeah, it okay, come on.
This is your house.
Mr. Ruffs! Mr. Ruffs! Watch, he's gonna turn off my light. 3, 2, 1. You have to say his name. Mr. Ruffs!
Mr. Ruffs.
Mr. Ruffs! Mr. Ruffs!
Where's your house?
I think he's sleeping. Mr. Ruffs!
I don't. How big is? What kind of dog is your? What kind of dog do you have?
The one that eats you. Mr. Ruffs! Oh my god! Oh. That's it. No, Mr. Ruffs. Rest in peace, Mr. Ruffs.
You killed your dog.
What is it?
We could save that.
Fine. Fireworks.
It's a
Fine,
firework. Should we
Why do
go
you
down?
sell those eggs that sell good?
Huh? Oh, follow
Where do
me.
you sell those eggs? Mr. Ruffs is now dead, and my mommy probably gonna get mad at me because
Does
I
he
killed
come-
Puppy.
Does he come back?
Probably. He always comes from the dead. I think my daddy like busted in him and he like choked to death, but then he came back to life.
What is wrong with this? Ah! Get your light out of here! Turn it off.
Fine. Just put these in the machine. I put these in.
Yeah, you just throw them in the
Wanna
machine.
listen to the song I made? Listen. Wait. Among Us.
Ooh! Ooh! I told you.
Now I'm at 66,000 exactly.
What?
66,000.0.
This kid's richer than me.